Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Derek Austin's Level Up Travel. You know I love talking about points, miles, rewards, credit cards in general. Love to talk about cash back. Love to talk about the programs like the hotel programs, airline programs, credit card programs like American Express membership rewards points, like Capital One miles, Citi thank you points, and of course Chase Ultimate Rewards points. And actually, I love to talk about US Bank Altitude Reserve points and, as always, travel in general. Today I want to talk about Capital One. So Capital One's done some changes again for the positive. It seems like it keeps on happening, people. If you're not noticing, Capital One is trying to get your business. They're a great credit card program right now. The credit cards are excellent. They're worth it. They're cost effective. They have tons of benefits. They have a great transfer program. They're great. Okay, they had one card, I think, is become irrelevant when the Venture X card came out, and that is the regular Venture card. Okay, still has an annual fee of $95. They had it forever for 50,000 points on like $3,000 or $4,000 spent. The Venture card at first came out with a 100,000 point bonus for $10,000 spent. So right recently, for the last couple months, it's been $4,000 spent gets you 75,000 points. Now they're doing that to the Venture card, the regular Venture card. Now, so you have a choice, right? It's like, which one do you go for? They're both the same bonus, right? I still think the Venture is pretty much irrelevant, because here's the thing: if you get approved for the Venture X card, you get approved for the Venture card. Venture card, if you get approved for the Venture card, you could got approved for the Venture X card. I could see like, oh, it's a bigger annual fee, but its effective annual fee on the Venture X card is -5. Okay, it has so many credits that are so easy to use. Okay, $300 credit that gets you just on their travel portal. So easy to do. They have a great travel portal, great prices on their travel portal, so that shouldn't be an issue. And then a 10,000 Capital One miles bonus every year that you renew the card, basically getting your effective annual fee down to -$5. They're giving you $5, right? If you use purchase rates. You can also use this 10,000 points to transfer them out and give more value from them. But the Venture card has a $95 annual fee. So if you're a person that doesn't pay annual fees, I mean, neither of these cards are good for you. And if you don't travel, then you shouldn't be getting these cards. But if you do travel, these cards are awesome for you. But the Venture X card is so much better for you. And like I said, if you get approved for the Venture card, you could have got approved for the Venture X card. Now, if you go on the pre-qualified site for Capital One, go to Capital One, just look up pre-qualifications. Venture X will never come up, okay? But Venture will. But if you get approved for the Venture, you can get approved for the Venture X. So I really don't see the situation where you would go for the Venture card. You might say, hey, I already had the Venture X card, so I don't think I can get it again. But I think you can, okay? I think there's a very good chance that you can get 2 cards. I might try it in a couple, like a week or two, when I am eligible to get another Capital One card. I'm actually really considering it, okay? So I don't think that could be the only thing if they don't allow you to have 2 Venture X cards, but I've never heard anything like that, okay? So I think it's unanimous, hands down, get the Venture X card. Don't go for the Venture card, especially if you don't have either one of them. Because again, if you get approved for one, you get approved for the other. So cool. So other thing that's an update is the Venture X card has now 10x on Turo rentals. Now, I'm actually renting a car long term right now. I don't really want to get into why, but one of the cool things about renting a car long term, even though it's overpriced from what you get if you just own the car and had a payment on it, is that the collision damage waiver covered by my Venture X card, and which is a collision damage waiver, not to be confused with having just everyone when you rent the car. The credit cards only cover the actual car. Okay, it doesn't cover like liability coverage. Like if you hit someone else, you hurt their property, like their car or any other property, or their person, that part does not cover from your credit card. Okay, just the vehicle that you are in. Just want to make that clear. Okay, so Taro, the credit card does not cover ride shares So so it's interesting, like how, I guess that I've never rented from Toro, so I think like they kind of like have their own coverage to make up for this, or else why would anyone want to do it? Like if you, I know from being a agent, insurance agent way back in the day, that a lot of times, like if you ride in someone else's car, if they let you ride their car, like if you borrow your friend's car, their coverage will automatically be on you, okay? Will cover you. But I don't know if that's still the case, but I especially don't know if it's the case if you're doing it for a business reason, like you're renting out the car to people, right, in a rideshare program. So I'm assuming Toro does something there, because a credit card will do nothing. So that's a big question I have there. But that's pretty awesome. 10X, if you're a Toro person, is really cool. Now, the other cool part is cards like the Quicksilver, the Saver One card. They are now, and also the Venture One card, are now getting 5 times the points on the travel portal, if the Capital One travel portal, if you are booking hotels and or rental cars. So pretty awesome that they have that function now. I think I think a lot of you remember my video, the Capital One trifecta. That's the Saver, the Saver One card, the Quicksilver, and the Venture One card. So you have transferable miles from the Venture One card. You transfer all the points that you get from either of the cards to that card, and basically the Quicksilver and the Saver One on their categories of the driver on getting cash back that you convert over to that. So now those cards become a little bit more valuable, because now you can get 5X on the travel portal for hotels and rental cars. So that's pretty cool for people that want to go the no-fee route, right? If you want to go that no-fee route. So I think it's really cool. Everything's for the better. Capital One just keeps on making their product better. Jump on board. It's a good ride right now, I think. So yeah, that really ends it for the updates. The cards are great. I do have some referral links down below for the Venture X card. I have it for the Venture card if you do want to go for the Venture card, the Saver One card, and the Quicksilver. I do have those. And I just want to clear up one thing, because I get this question all the time, or comments down in the comments down below. Can you only get 2 Capital One cards? Absolutely not. These are all in my name. Well, these 2, here you go, right in the front. Derek P. Awesome. These are active. 2 right there. This Venture card, I will see if I can cover up the digits there. So I just want to make sure you know I'm not BSing. There's my name there again. The Venture X card, do the same thing here. Four cards in my name, in my own name, 4 cards, okay? You can get, I don't know how many you can get. You can get at least 4. The one rule that you guys have to worry about is you can't get approved for a Capital One card within 6 months of the last approval for Capital One. So if I get my Venture X card in December 27th, I have to wait till May 27th, 2022 to get another Capital One card. Okay, that's the example. If you got like a Chase card, you do not have to wait to get a Capital One card. It's just Capital One to Capital One cards. Okay, you have to space them 6 months. I don't know if you can get any more than 4. If anyone has more than 4, let me know. But there's so many times that I get that question. Can you have more than 2 Capital One cards? Yes, you can. Guys, links down below. Comment down below on the video and anything pertaining to this topic. And please like the video. Hit the bell notification so every time I come out with a video, you'll be the first to know. And please subscribe to the channel as always. Thank you guys so much. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.